Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we have this is the box of smart plugs, and I've got this from Amazon. I just wanted to share what we have in the box. It's a pack of 4, and this is from Teckin. I've got a couple of Teckin smart plugs, and it's quite straightforward, quite useful, quite handy if you are already using the Smart Life app. And it's literally a plug and play that you get from these essentially. So I've previously used this. It's got the power button on the left, or the reset button, and you could then just sync it up with your smartphone. There's the Smart Life app that you have. You could just literally use that. And let me just quickly show you that. I do have, I think, that handy, and here it is. This is the Smart Life app, and television, my lamp, I've got a power strip, so loads of devices on there, my USB, my charger, my heater, my monitor, my workstation. So you could just add these and name these, customize the names of these. For example, your lamp or whatever, you could just use that, and essentially you use the smart functionality, smart feature, and just get on with it. So these are the 4 smart plugs that I have. 4 of these are all Teckins, and what you get is 13 ampere smart socket voltage, and it's the QR code for the app download. It's all CE certified, RHS certified, made in China, of course. So these are the 4 products that at your home that are getting automated. Mine, of course, but in yours too, if you buy it. This cost me about £29. At the moment it's being sold for 36 or something, 36 and whatever, some pence. But there we have it. This is the user guide. User manual, socket information, Smart Life app, and information around that. Not so expensive. Black Friday sale, £7 discount, and so Wi-Fi connection, app control, set timers, and voice control. Everything that is there, I've got a previous video. You could just refer to that. For any further information in terms of the installation. I'll put a link in the description down below. And finally, if you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Cheers, bye bye.